Hi, my name is Megan Whetstone. I'm a project manager here at Watchdog. Today we're going to talk about using renderings to build consensus among stakeholders. Our goal is communication, clear communication among all parties. The best way to establish this is sometimes through a tool that the architect can provide, and that is a rendering. That is a three-dimensional view of the space. You really can communicate how big is a person in the space, what are the ceilings like, is it a big lofty space, is it small and intimate. These help communicate all of these ideas in one picture, and that's, I think, a very critical piece of the design process. So when you say you want to have a rendering done to put on the side of a building to really get buy-in, you take it to the press, a lot of times your architecture firm will hire a consultant, much like they would MEP engineering or structural engineering. So the process here would be your architect would go to a rendering firm and solicit pricing for you and understand timeframes to help you choose the best company to represent your project in the most clear way. Rendering is a skill that is learned in architecture education. Some people find that piece of their architecture education to be really awesome and they become artists at it. It brings you from A, reality, or B, more of an artistic take on what the scene might look like, or maybe it's a snowy day that really brings you to the mood of the space. When you're in the fundraising phase of the project, what a rendering can do is really communicate clearly to donors what the mission and the values of the project are. So that's a really helpful tool when you're dealing with fundraising. So those are just some of the reasons you might need a rendering to help communicate your design vision and kind of rally support among your employees and stakeholders throughout the company.